Good day, YouTubers. This is Michael Stamets here. This is a package that came back. Let's open it up and see what it is. Let's unbox that thing. Looks like no receipts. Here she is. Doctor Who, The Seeds of Doom. Fourth Doctor Tom Baker, Sarah Jane Smith. Wow, look at that. Looks very weird, isn't it? Makes those humans die, turns into a monster. Look at that. Looks definitely weird. This is a weird episode it was before. This is the Seeds of Doom. And look on the back. Wow. It was definitely weird picture. Look at that. It's very cool, isn't it? Alright. This is story number 85. And it says, when scientists unleashing two seed pods deep in the Arctic permafrost, the Doctor and Sarah Jane rushed to investigate. Soon the Doctor's worst fear are confirmed. The pods at the pod's house. Kyno's, I forgot what it is. So one of the most parasitic and dangerous life forms in the universe. One of the creatures have already infected a scientist, and now an hideous monsters is rampaging through the base on total destructions. When the second pod is stolen, amid the extending carnage, it is transported into the hands of insane Boltonist Harrison Chase. Wow. From his mansion in England, the plants assist Chase will allow the pods to split open, but a rather millionaire and replated grow carbon monoxide, whatever it is. And well, it's hard to read, so let's go on to extras. It's the audio commentary by the actor Tom Baker, who plays the Doctor, and whatever their name is. So, okay. Pod shocks, making of. Playing in a green, whatever it is. Script of action. now and then. So what do you do excitedly? And here we go. And trailers, photo gallery, and PDF materials, radio times listings. So cool. And here we go. And it says digitally remastered picture and sound quality. So cool. It's 4.3 Moto Audio. 2 disc. The Seeds of Doom. It's a spine. There's a 4th Doctor Tom Baker. And the BBC logo. There it is. The purple BBC logo. And let's open it up. And open it up. There's a recycled material, see that? And here's the disc of the Seeds of Doom. Approximately 144 minutes and 95 minutes of extras. Well, these are the same disc of the Seeds of Doom, so alright, I have to watch this one and get back to you on Wednesday when it's starting up with this new release of Doctor Who called The Wet Planet. So, see you next time. Bye-bye.